Hello students, we are now going to begin with our new topic HCF or GCD. In the previous topic what we have studied, how to factorize a number into its prime factors. And what is the meaning of this factorization? Factorize करना मतलब किसी भी नंबर को उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स के मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में लिखना, that is called as factorization. And vertical arrangement we had studied. So how to solve this? Number is 216. So what is the first factor of 216? It is 2. 2 into which number is 216? That we will do by doing division. In division we got 108. So write here 108. Again 108 divisible by 2. 2 into which number 108? Find out by doing division. Again 27. So 2 27s are 54. Now 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9s are. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So the numbers on the left hand side, these are the prime factors of 216. Now we have to study about HCF. What is the long form of HCF? Highest common factor. And HCF is also known as GCD. What is the long form of GCD? Greatest common divisor. Now highest and greatest means the same thing. Common, same thing. And factor and divisor is also one and the same thing. So you can say HCF or GCD. Any one you can say. Now we are going to take one example how we found HCF last year. Okay, do you remember last year also we have done this lesson HCF and LCM. But according to the last year method, what was the method? First write the factors of 9. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. Then write the factors of 15. All the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3 5s are, so 3 and 5 and 15. Then write down the common factors. What are the common factors that you see here? 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 are common factors. And from these common factors, which is the highest? So highest common factor is 3. So this was the method of finding HCF according to the last year. But this year we are going to find the HCF by using the prime factorization method. Now in this prime factorization method also there are two ways. One is a little long cut and second one is the shortcut. So first I will show you both the ways and then after that we will use only the shortcut. So according to the prime factorization method, first find the factors of 9. First factor is 3, 3s are. Next 3, 1s are. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Next number is 15. So find the factors of 15. 3 5s are, 5 1s are. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Now, in both the factors, what is common? Common means जो दोनों में है. So, common is a 3. Therefore, HCF equal to 3. Okay. Now, in this you can use one shortcut method also. So, let's see that. Instead of finding the prime factors of both the numbers separately, what we will do? We will write both the numbers together, 9 and 15, and we will find the factors of them together. So, which factor is there which divides 9 also and 15 also? Which number divides 9 also and 15 also? ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो 9 का भी फैक्टर है और 15 का भी? So you will get the answer 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now which number is there which is a factor of 3 also and 5 also? No such number is there. 1 is there, but 1 we generally don't take. Okay, so only one factor we got, 3. Therefore, HCF of 9 and 15 is 3. So this method is shortcut and this is a long cut. So this will be easier. So from now we are going to use this method. One more example we will see. Suppose 24 and 32. 24 and 32. Now first we will do by long cut method. Find the prime factors of 24. 2 12s are 24. Again 2 6s are 12. Again 2 3s are 6. And lastly 3 1s are 3. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now what about 32? Again solve for 32. First factor will be 2. 2 16s are 32. If you can't do orally, then in the rough you can divide this. 2 1s are 2, 12. 2 6s are 12. So 2 16s are 32. Again 2 8s are 16. Next 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is common between these two? See here. These 3 2 and these 3 2 are common. So HCF will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Answer is 8. जो भी कॉमन फैक्टर्स है वो लेना है और उनको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. नाउ द सेम क्वेश्चन वी विल सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग अ shortcut method which we saw just now. So in shortcut method we have to take 24 and 32 together. 24 and 32 we have to take together. Now which factor is common for both 24 and 32? Now if you see both the numbers and if you know the table of 8, you can directly say that 8 is common factor of 24 and 32. Okay, so 8 into how much is 24? 8 3s are and 8 4s are. Now is there any common factor for 3 and 4? No. So therefore HCF equal to this left hand side number 8. Directly 8 आ गया. ये सब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And if you don't know the table of 8, okay, let's consider that case also. So 24 and 32. You can start with 2. 2 divides 24 also and 32 also. 2 12s are 24. 2 16s are 32. Again 12 and 16 both can be divided by 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. Again 6 and 8 both can be divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Now 3 and 4 cannot be divided by any common number. So HCF equal to left hand side numbers multiplication. Answer is again 8. अगर आप दोनों सेपरेट करेंगे तो सिर्फ कॉमन नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सभी को नहीं करना है. एंड इफ यू टेक बोथ द टुगेदर देन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जितने हैं वो सब कॉमन ही तो है दोनों के, तो उनको सबको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस सेपरेट फाइंडिंग मेथड we will take the numbers together and we will solve directly. Understood? One more example we can take. Suppose 195, 312 and 546. Okay. Now these three numbers they are divisible by which number? So how you will find? 2 से तो नहीं होगा. Okay, 2 can divide these two numbers, but 2 cannot divide this number. So check for 3. 3 से check करो. 3 से कैसे check करेंगे? Add the digits. 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15. Yes, this number is divisible by 3. 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So this number also divisible by 3. 5 plus 4 9 plus 6 15. ये भी नंबर 3 से डिवाइड होता है. तो ये तीनों नंबर्स का कॉमन फैक्टर है 3. Now 3 into what is 195? So do your division. 3 6 are 18 minus, then we get 1 5. 3 5s are 15. So 3 into 65 is 195. Now 3 into what is 312? 3 1s are 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 4s are 12. So we get 104. And lastly 3 divided by 546. 3 divided by 546. So 3 1s are 3. 24. 3 8s are 24. Lastly this 6. So 3 2s are 6. So 182. 182. Now these three numbers are divisible by which number? So if you know the table of 13, so 13 can divide 65, 13 can divide 104, and 13 can divide 182 also. So 13 5s are 65, 13 8s are 104, and 13 into 14 is 182. So this last division you have to check in the rough. Now 5 8 14 ये तीन नंबर कौन से टेबल में आते हैं या किस नंबर से डिवाइड होंगे? नो नंबर. ओके, देयर इज नो कॉमन फैक्टर विच कैन डिवाइड 5 8 and 14. So therefore our HCF is 3 into 13. कौन से कॉमन फैक्टर्स मिले हमें? 3 and 13. तो हाईएस्ट निकालना है, मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ ऑफ देम. 3 into 13. Okay, and 3 into 13 is 39. So HCF of these three numbers is 39. Like this you have to solve the questions of HCF. Now we are going to begin with practice set 11. So for practice set 11 we will use the direct method. Practice set 11. The question is factorize, find the HCF of the following numbers. In that, first example is 25 and 40. 25 and 40. Now first step is write both the numbers together, 25 40, and make two columns. Now which is the first factor of 25 and 40? कौन से नंबर से दोनों डिवाइड हो सकता है? 5, क्योंकि लास्ट में 5 है एंड लास्ट में 0 है. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. Now 5 and 8 दोनों के कॉमन फैक्टर्स कुछ है? नो. Therefore HCF is 5. Highest common factor of 25 and 40 is 5. Second example, 56 32. 56 and 32. First write both the numbers 56 32 and draw the columns. Now what is the common factor of 56 and 32? It is 8. The common factor of 56 and 32 is 8. 8 7s are 56, 8 4s are 32. Now 7 and 4 does not have any common factor. Therefore HCF of 56 and 32 is 8. And if you don't know the table of 8, then you can start with 2. 56, 32. Start with 2. 2 28s are 56. 2 16s are 32. Again 2 14s are 28. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8. Again you will get 7 4 only, and HCF will be 2 into 2 into 2. Again it will be 8 only. So you can do like this also or like this also. Now the third one is 40, 60 and 75. 40, 60 and 75. First step, write down all the three numbers. Then draw column. Okay. So first draw single line, then you can extend it. Which is the factor which is common for 40, 60 and 75? The answer is 5. क्योंकि यहाँ लास्ट में 0 और 5 है. Now 5 8s are 40, 5 12s are 60 and 5 15s are 75. ओरली नहीं आ रहा है तो आप रफ में कर सके देख सकते हैं. 75 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 1s are 5, 2 5, 5 5s are 25. So you will get 15 here. Now 8, 12 and 15, which is the common factor for all three numbers? No. So HCF is 5. HCF of 40, 60 and 75 is 5. Next one is 16 and 27. So orally only you can say that 16 and 27 has no common factor. 16 और 27 कोई भी सेम टेबल में नहीं आता है, तो इनका HCF होगा 1. जहाँ कोई कॉमन नहीं रहता है 1 तो रहता है. So directly we can write HCF equal to 1. Now the next one, fifth one, 18, 32, 48. Now first write down the number 18, 32, 48. Then draw the column. 18, 32 and 48 कौन से नंबर में आता, कौन से टेबल में आता है? 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 16s are 32 and 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now 9, 16 and 24, ये तीनों नंबर कौन से टेबल में आएंगे? नो फैक्टर. सो HCF is 2. HCF of these three numbers is 2. Now the sixth one, 105, 154. So first write down the numbers 105, 154 and then look for their common factor. So what is the common factor of 105 and 154? So 2 is not a factor. 3 के लिए check करो. 5 plus 1 6. This is divisible by 3. But here 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. Means 3 is not a common factor. 4 भी नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है, 6 2 और 3 नहीं है, इसलिए 6 भी नहीं होगा. Try for 7. See here 7. If we divide 105 with 7, we will get 7 1s are 7, 3 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 से हो रहा है. And 154 also, it can be divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 4, 7 2s are 14. So answer is 7. 7 15s are and 7 22s are. Now 15 and 22 same table में आते हैं कोई? No. So therefore HCF is 7. Now if you cannot find 7 directly, तो आप थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग कट यूज कर सकते हो. How? Find the factors of 105 separately. First factor will be 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Then the next factor is 7. 3s are 21. Next 3 1s are 3. 154 we can solve separately. First factor is 2. 2 7s are 14. 1 4 2 7s are 14. Now 77 is divisible by 7. 7 11s are 77 and 11 1s are 11. So in these factors and in these factors, what you find common? 7. So in that case also answer will be 7. So if you can't do anything directly, then you can go for long method also. Understood? Now 7th one. 7th question is 42, 45 and 48. First write down all the three numbers. Then search for their common factors. Draw columns. Now what is the common factor? First think about 2. 2 can divide 42 and 48, but it cannot divide 45. Now think of 3. 3 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं क्या ये 3 नंबर? सो व्हाट इज द टेस्ट? कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? 4 + 2 6, मतलब 42 3 से हो जाएगा. 4 + 5 9, मतलब 45 भी 3 से डिवाइड होगा. 4 + 8 12, मतलब ये नंबर भी 3 से डिवाइड होगा. तो इन तीनों के लिए कॉमन फैक्टर है 3. पर कैसे डिवाइड होगा? 42 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. सो इसके लिए आएगा आंसर 14. नेक्स्ट 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 45. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. सो इसके लिए आएगा 15. एंड इन द सेम वे 45 + 3 48 होता है, मतलब 15 के बाद आएगा 16. नाउ 14 15 16 ये तो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स है, एक के बाद एक आने वाले नंबर्स है. सो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स डू नॉट हैव कॉमन फैक्टर्स. सो डायरेक्टली वी विल राइट HCF = 3. Understood? Now the 8th one. 8th one is 57, 75 and 102. First write down the numbers. Then draw columns and find a common factor. So इन तीनों के लिए कॉमन फैक्टर 2 नहीं हो सकता. 2 से ये डिवाइड होगा बट दिस 2 नॉट पॉसिबल. 5 से ये डिवाइड होगा बट ये 2 नहीं होंगे. सो थिंक अबाउट 3. 7 + 5 12, तो 3 से होगा. 7 + 5 12, ये भी 3 से होगा. एंड 1 + 2 3, मतलब ये भी 3 से होगा. और जब हम 3 से इसे डिवाइड करके देखेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 3 19s are 57, 3 25s are 75 and 3 34. So these divisions you have to perform in rough. Don't do directly. Now 19 25 34. 19 तो प्राइम नंबर है, तो ये तीनों नंबर किसी भी सेम टेबल में नहीं आएंगे. Therefore HCF is 3. Here HCF is 3. Now the 9th one. 9th question is 56 and 57. 56 and 57. Just now I told you that consecutive numbers do not have any common factor. एक के बाद एक आने वाले नंबर के कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होते हैं, उनमें कॉमन सिर्फ 1 होता है. सो हियर वी विल राइट HCF of 2 consecutive numbers is 1. Okay, HCF of two consecutive numbers is always 1. Now the last one, that is 10th one. 777, 315 and 588. First write down the numbers. Then find the factor, common factor. So 2 cannot be their common factor. So try for 3. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 21, 3 से डिवाइड होगा. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, 3 से डिवाइड होगा. 8 plus 8 16 plus 5 21, मीन्स ये तीनों नंबर 3 से डिवाइड होंगे. पर कैसे डिवाइड होंगे, दैट वी हैव टू डू इन रफ. सो 3 2s are 6, 17, then 3 5s are 15, 2 7, 3 9s are 27. So how much we got? 259. Next 315 we have to divide with 3. 3 1s are 3, then 1, 3 zeros are 0, 15, 3 5s are 15. And 588 also we have to divide with 3. So 3 1s are 3, 28, 3 9s are 27, 1 8, 3 6 are 18. So what we got? 105 and 196. Now these three numbers will be divisible with 7. So this division I have already done. 37s are, 15s are and 28s are. Now 37 is a prime number. So these three numbers will not have any common factors. So we can write HCF equal to these two numbers product, 3 into 7, that is 21. HCF of these three numbers is 21. Okay, so in this way we can find the HCF of 2 or 3 numbers together. So these all the 10 questions you have to write down in your notebook. Understood? Thank you.